Something massive is happening inside Apple's smart home division. And if you are planning to buy a streaming device in 2026, you need to stop what you are doing right now. For nearly 4 long years, Apple left its streaming box untouched on store shelves while every other product line got shiny new processors, redesigned bodies, and massive AI overhauls. People began to wonder if the Apple TV was quietly dying. But hidden deep within Apple's software code, buried under layers of developer files, evidence of a total transformation has surfaced. Apple hasn't abandoned the Apple TV. They have been secretly engineering what might be the most powerful, over-engineered living room device ever created. If you think this is just another minor bump in specs for playing Netflix in 4K, you could not be more wrong. What Apple is preparing to release late this year isn't just a streaming box. It is a Trojan horse designed to completely take over your living room, rewrite how you interact with your TV, and force competitors like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and Google TV into total obsolescence. From an insane leap in raw compute power that turns your TV into a true console-grade gaming machine, to a custom-designed networking brain, next-generation Siri AI, and a remote control upgrade that fixes the single most annoying issue in home entertainment. This upcoming launch is set to change everything. If you own an older Apple TV, if you are thinking about upgrading, or if you are considering buying a streaming device today, leaving this video early could cost you hundreds of dollars in a bad purchasing decision. In this video, we are going to expose every single leak, reveal the secret hardware upgrades Apple tried to hide, dissect the massive price dilemma facing consumers, and give you the ultimate verdict on whether you should buy now, wait, or skip entirely. To understand why the 2026 Apple TV 4K is such a monumental release, you first have to ask yourself a simple question. Why did Apple wait 4 years? The current third-generation Apple TV 4K launched back in late 2022 featuring the A15 Bionic chip. At the time, putting an iPhone 13 processor inside a streaming box seemed like total overkill. And honestly, it was. It streamed 4K HDR content without a hitch, navigated menus instantly, and outperformed every cheap streaming stick on the market by a mile. But as years passed, tech enthusiasts kept asking, where is the next model? Why delay a hardware refresh for so long when Apple usually operates on a tight schedule? The answer isn't that Apple forgot about the device. The answer is that Apple encountered a massive bottleneck behind closed doors. The next Apple TV was never meant to be just another iterative speed bump. It was built from the ground up around Apple's biggest project in a decade, Apple Intelligence and next-generation Siri AI. Because the rollout of Apple's advanced AI system experienced delays across the board, the new Apple TV hardware was held back, waiting for the software brain to finally be ready. And now, in 2026, the wait is officially over. Let's dive straight into what is under the hood, because the performance leap here is nothing short of absurd. According to code leaks uncovered inside macOS and tvOS system files, the 2026 Apple TV 4K is jumping from the older A15 Bionic chip directly to the A17 Pro processor, or potentially even newer silicon. Think about that for a second. The A17 Pro was Apple's flagship 3nm chip, built with a heavy-duty 6-core GPU and hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Why on earth would a box meant for playing movies need a graphics chip capable of rendering realistic lighting, reflections, and shadow physics in real time? This brings us to Apple's secret weapon, gaming. For years, Apple Arcade has been a nice little add-in, but it mostly offered mobile-tier casual games. With the A17 Pro chip and a massive jump in memory, Apple is turning the Apple TV 4K into a legitimate home gaming console. We are talking about running full AAA console titles, games like Resident Evil 4 Remake, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed Mirage, directly on your television without needing a PlayStation 5, Xbox, or expensive PC. And to power all of this, Apple isn't just swapping the processor. They are doubling the system memory. The current Apple TV operates on 4 GB of RAM. The 2026 model steps up to at least 8 GB of memory. In the world of smart TVs, 8 GB of memory is virtually unheard of. Most streaming sticks operate on 1.5 to 2 GB of RAM, struggling to open basic apps without crashing or slowing down. Doubling the RAM on Apple TV wasn't just done for gaming. It was strictly required to run Apple's local AI models directly on the device. This leads us to the feature that will completely change how you use your television. tvOS 27 and the all-new Siri AI. Let's be completely honest with ourselves. Siri on the current Apple TV is frustrating. Half the time, it misunderstands what movie you asked for, fails to search inside third-party apps, or gives you generic web results that make you want to throw the remote at the screen. But with the 2026 upgrade, Siri is receiving a full brain transplant powered by Apple Intelligence. Imagine sitting on your couch and talking to your TV the way you talk to a real person. Instead of memorizing exact movie titles, you can say things like, "Find that sci-fi movie where the main character gets stuck in a time loop inside a space station." And the system understands the context, searches your streaming apps, and pulls up the exact film instantly. Or imagine watching an action movie and asking, "Who is that actor sitting in the background of this scene?" And the local AI analyzes the on-screen